everyone, Luke here and welcome back to the channel. So, what are we actually doing in this video? Well, let me show you. Got my bike. All I do is hold on and give it a pedal. Look at that, that's awesome. Now that's cool. So you might have heard of things like Peloton, or if you browse online, you might have come across things like bike rollers, which everyone sort of knows they're quite expensive. And this is essentially what I have done. But this cost me a grand total of £0 and 0 pence, which is fantastic. So how did I build this? Well, this consists of 3 main parts, one of which being scrap wood that I found around the workshop. The second part being these steel angles that actually got pulled off a shelf, and all I've done is chop them down and screwed them to the wood. And it actually looks really nice. And this is the coolest part of all, these. And you're probably wondering what this is. And this is a heavy duty printer roller that we actually got out of a printer, believe it or not. So, the reason why it works so well is because either side of this roller you got some really nice bearings. And you got this nice thick pole going all the way through, which makes it really easy to mount onto something like this. All I have to do is line it up, pop it in, and we're off. So let's take a closer look at that. Wow, it actually looks really, really, really nice. So let's really demonstrate this. So I'll see you guys in a second. So here we go. I'm just going to pedal and you're going to see the result. Let me hold on. Wow, that's awesome. Oh, I slipped. But that was so cool. Wow. Let's do that again. Let's make sure I'm straight. Oh, it's slipping. Let's hold on. And give it a pedal. Make sure I don't slip. Wow. I'm tired already. Wasn't that cool? You might have noticed a couple things. One of which being the actual base of this slips a little bit. And the other one being is that I have to hold on. So watch out for the next video. Anyway guys, thank you for watching the video and I hope you enjoyed it. If you got any questions, don't hesitate to put them in the comments and I'll try my best to answer every single one of them. Anyway guys, I hope you have a great day and I'll see you later.